Hello and welcome back, everybody. If your Android device is not receiving text messages and you're having that issue, in today's video, we will be guiding you step by step in order to fix it. So, the first thing we can do is we can troubleshoot. For that, a simple restart should often help. So, you can try a quick restart, long press on your power button for that, and find the restart option and confirm it. And that should resolve many temporary network issues on your device. The next thing we can do is we can turn the airplane mode off and then turn it off to refresh your wireless connections. Go to settings for that, or you can even access the quick settings panel. For now, let's head over here and go to connections. From connections, find the option for flight mode, tap on it, and you can turn it on and wait for a few seconds and tap on the toggle option again, and that should turn off the network and refresh your wireless connections. Apart from that, we can clear the messaging application's cache and data. So I can go over and open your device's settings for that. From here, scroll down and find the apps option. Once you find apps, you can just go and search for messages, the messaging application currently you're using. For example, I'm using this one right here, tap on it. And then you can go to your settings and go to storage and tap on clear cache and also clear the data to reset the application. And ensure that that particular number you're looking for the message from is also not blocked, because that may be also sometimes the issue. And at last, not but not the least, you can reset your network settings. Go to settings for that, open it up and go to the search at the top. From here you can just go and search for network and find the network settings and find the option for reset network settings and tap on it. Once you find it up, we can just go and tap on reset network settings. Then you just need to confirm to reset the settings, and that will also refresh the system and your messaging application. And for now, you can try out these methods and see if that works for you. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. And if you have got any questions, you can just drop them down in the comments below.